Before installation, prepare the LED stoplight, rear valance insert, and the necessary tools. The rear valance should be clean and dry when installed on the vehicle. Connecting the LED stoplight to the vehicle should be performed by an electrical specialist. Thoroughly clean and degrease the surface of the rear valance insert. Place the LED stoplight on the insert and mark the mounting holes and the hole for the electrical wires. These points should align with the mounting screws on the LED stoplight. After marking the points, drill holes for the mounting screws and electrical wires. On the bottom of the rear valance insert, mark 2 points near the edge. Drill holes for the mounting clips in these locations. Remove the protective film from the rear valance insert. Insert the LED stoplight mounting screws and electrical wires into the mounting holes. Place the double-sided tape on the edges of the rear valance insert. Then, using nuts, attach the LED stoplight to the rear valance insert. Thoroughly clean and degrease the center section of the rear valance. Then, remove small sections of the protective film from the double-sided tape. Place the insert in the center section of the rear valance and press down. Remove the remaining sections of the protective film from the double-sided tape. Then, drill holes in the rear valance according to the holes in the insert. Insert the mounting clips into the holes and tighten them. Done.